Hello, dear aspirants. So, the last few videos we have been discussing the problem based on the basic identities like a plus b whole square, a minus b the whole square. So, in continuation, we are going to discuss in this video the problem based on a minus b the whole cube. Okay. First, let's recall the formula. Then we will get into the problem. So, the formula is simple. A minus b the whole cube formula. So, what? So a minus b the whole cube. This one can be written as a cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square minus b cube. This is the formula. This same formula can also be rewritten like this. So it is a minus b the whole cube. This is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab. From these two, you can take minus 3ab out. So if you take minus 3ab out, it's going to be a minus b. Both are same only. Both are same. So this formula can also be written like this. A cube minus b cube minus 3ab into minus ab. So this is the formula. A minus b the whole cube formula. Now let's try to apply this formula. We will try some of the problem and we will get the answer for that problem. Okay. Now let's answer this question. What they are given? X minus y is 4. Xy is 45. Then what is the value of x cube minus y cube? Okay. X cube minus y cube. So, okay. Now, what is the formula written? It is in terms of a and b. The same formula if I write in terms of x and y, how it is going to become? That is x minus y the whole cube. That is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus 1. This is the formula. Now the question is x cube minus y. They have given x minus y and also xy. Trying to substitute, simplify, you will get the answer. So it's going to be what x minus y is 4. So it's going to be 4 cube. That is equal to x cube minus y cube. That's what we wanted to find. Let's keep that one as it is. It is 3 into xy is what? 45 into x minus y is it's going to be 4. Okay. Now this is going to be 64. That is equal to x cube minus y cube minus what is this? 4 times 45. So it's going to be 160, 180 into 3. So 540. So it's going to be 540. Okay. So this is 540. And then you bring this side, that's it. So your 64 plus 540. This is here minus 540. When it comes this side, it's going to become plus 540. And this is equal to what? X power 3 minus y power 3. Then it's going to be x power 3 minus y power 3. It's going to be what? 604. 604 is the answer. Option is 604 is just simply applying the formula, we'll be getting the answer. Okay, let's move on to another question. Look at this question. X square minus 1 by x is 8. Then find the value of this x power 6 minus 1 by x power 3 is equal to 1. That's what they are asking. This expression may look like different, but if you just divide it, this one, x square minus 1 by x, individually if we divide x square by x, it's going to be x. Minus what? 1 by x is 1 by x. So this one can be written x minus 1 by x is 8. Same thing, this one can be written as what? If you divide by x power 3 individually, it's going to be x power 3 minus 1 by x power. This is what they are asking. Now same formula we can apply which one? That is x minus 1 by x, the whole cube formula. Now in the place of x we have, in the place of a we have x. In the place of b we have 1 by x. So a minus b the whole cube formula only we are going to apply. So it's going to be what? X cube. Then minus b cube is going to be 1 by x power 3 minus 3 into ab, that is x into 1 by x. The place of ax, the place of b, 1 by x into a minus b, that is x minus 1 by x. So here this x getting cancelled. Okay. X minus 1 by x answer they have given us 8. This is your x minus 1 by x answer is what? 8. Therefore, it's going to be 8 cube. Now this is equal to x power 3 minus 1 by x power 3. This is equal to 3 into x minus 1 by x. X minus 1 by x value is what? Now 8 power 3. 8 power 3 means it's going to be what? 64 into 8. 32 remaining 3, 48, 51. So 512. So we have this value as 512. Then bring this. This is going to be what? Minus 24. When you bring this side, it's going to become plus 24. This is equal to x cube minus 1 by x cube. So they are asking that value only. So it's going to be 536. That is equal to x cube minus 1 by x cube. So x cube minus 1 by x cube value is 536. Answer is 536. Very simple. Okay. So this one only can be written as if you just cross multiply, it becomes x power 6 minus 1 by x power 3. This is same. Okay. So the answer for this question is option B. Similarly, I have one question for you to answer. Just go through this question. Try to answer. Okay. If you want to give your answer as comment, you can give. Thank you.